Hey guys, I am back to do some decluttering. I don't know why I'm seeming excited because I'm not. But today we're going through winter clothing and that is really bulky. So I am kind of excited to declutter a little bit. I'm gonna even take you guys with me to get the stuff out of the garage because that's gonna be the hardest part. Let's get to it. This is gonna take so much work to get through. Don't wanna do it. It's gonna be a process. Sports equipment is for a different day, alright? So this can hold it open, maybe. Don't ask me why I have a snowboard in Arizona. This is no bueno. For now. Just get this out of the way. This isn't even the winter stuff. Oh.
I'm fed up.
I'm really hoping this is the winter stuff. Ta-da! The last box on the bottom was the winter stuff. But I got it. Okay, this isn't actually that heavy. Time to put it all back. Maybe I can do this a little bit more organized this time. But I don't really know how. God damn, are we getting invaded by the
Aliens?
Oh, it's the heaviest. I really hope this fits. I don't know if I did well, but that's what we're working with. I'm sweaty. But let's get into it. Maybe I'll organize them by what we have first. This is mine. Got a hat. Outdoor research gloves. These are really lightweight, but they're really nice. So I'll keep those. And I have this Columbia jacket that I got for my job. And it's actually a really nice lightweight jacket. Fleece on the inside. I'm sure water resistant. It's Columbia, so it's a good brand. A hat that I have. Not even taken out of the package. Arizona Conservation Corps. Another hat. Some fuzzy driving ones. I think they're Target. Outdoor research hat. Active temp. I'm gonna be sad about this one, guys. Look at how cute this is. I bought this when we were in Ireland because I didn't have anything that was warm enough. I wasn't expecting it to be that cold, and it's so cute, but it is so bulky. And I really haven't worn it since being in the desert, but it's so cute. My Burtons. I have these. They are running gloves that Dylan got me, and they actually are really nice, but I have these outdoor research ones now, so I'll probably get rid of these. So I'm gonna put these in the donate pile. I'm still gonna go through this, but I know for sure I'm donating that. Snow pants. What are these called again? Something. What are they called? Pico! Snowboarding jacket that I have since 7th grade, maybe 8th grade. I also have a down jacket and a raincoat that I'm not getting rid of because I'm going to be bringing those with me to South America. And last but not least, we just have like some board wax for our snowboards and a scraper. So let's go through it. Let's start off strong with hats. I love this hat. I wear this all the time and it's cute. It goes with my color wheel. It's wool. We're keeping this one for sure. Carhartt, gotta love the brand, but this just fits my head weird, so we're gonna go donate. This hemp hat, it's cute, but it's kind of itchy, so donate. I haven't worn this, gonna donate it. This is a nice outdoor research hat, and it's really lightweight, so it would be good for like backpacking. Good brand, thermoregulating, keeps you cool, dry, and comfortable during high exertion activity. Honestly, this might be the best bet. I'm keeping this. Gloves, I am also going to keep these for any winter activities. They're Burtons, they're really nice. It's good to just have a nice pair of gloves. I'm also going to be keeping these because they're my lightweight glove. Also outdoor research. So keep. I want to have some mittens too, so I'm going to keep these. Snowboarding. I think that I have outgrown this. But I don't know. It says 10,000 millimeters waterproofing. This is not my vibe anymore. You know what I mean? Like, can you see Sam Kaiser wearing this today? No, this is not my color wheel. I think I have to get rid of it, but I need to wash it. I've outgrown this. It's holding on to a lot of memories, so.
See ya.
This pea coat, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't really wear this because, well, I haven't needed to. I've been living in the desert for 2 years. But I don't know like where I'm gonna be in the next decade. And this is just like a quality pea coat, and it, oh my god, it needs to be washed. It's a quality pea coat, and if I'm ever traveling and I want to look nice, I want to wear something like this, so I'm gonna keep this. Obviously, I need snow pants, so I'm gonna keep this. Oh. I don't know if I'm gonna be living in like a cold climate again. I don't know. I feel like the right thing to do is donate this, but I love it so much. It's so cute. And it's like kind of cropped.
A few moments later.
This is a tough one, guys. I'm a Minnesotan at heart. How can I get rid of this stuff? I've needed it. Well, I know for sure I'm keeping this. This is adorable. I would use this as like my everyday jacket. It's fleece, it's water resistant. Love. Okay, so I have a nice like everyday wear for winter. I have a pea coat. Let's be honest, this is more like a sweater. This isn't a jacket. Can I just put it on? It also has Ireland memories. It's so cute and cozy. I'm keeping this. I love it. I'm keeping it. I think I might keep this jacket and then get these patches taken off so it's nice Columbia lightweight jacket for winter in like the desert. I hate to say it, but I really didn't get through a lot. The only thing I'm donating are these things, which take up no room. And maybe this. Who knew? Minnesota girl in me just won't die. Well, that's all I got. I wish this was more satisfying. Let's go through it one more time. I feel like pea coats are like, I'm an adult. I'm a businesswoman. I'm a boss ass. I'm gonna conquer the world. This is like, I'm cutesy. I'm going on the town and I'm cutesy. This one is like, yeah, I'm Sam. I'm just gonna wear this. It's good every day. This one's similar, but less hot. I can't get rid of any of it. It's okay, you know what? We declutter more in areas than others, and this just happens to be one of the areas that we're not decluttering a lot. And that's okay. Okay, I just have to stop the video now. I'm getting overwhelmed. I think next we're doing sports equipment or camping gear, and that's gonna be like, there's gonna be a lot more to go through. Love you guys, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you want to follow along as we prepare for our full year of travel.